right. And we back with another episode of Hey, I'm Just Asking. And today, I want to do this one. Message to the black man. Stop pushing the reset button. So you might say, what do you mean by stop pushing the reset button? And in real life, only way you can push the reset button, going to jail. Man, we got to stop going to jail. And I'll give some reasons. If you have kids, man, stop pushing the reset button. You putting a wedge between you and your kids, man, constantly going to jail. I'll give you another one. Domestic violence. Oh man. And I'll just say in our community, I don't really know about the other races. I'll just speak upon mine. Man, we got to stop beating the women, man, and going to jail. We got to stop beating the women and going to jail. If you feel like you want to put your hands on her, man, get up out of there. ASAP, man, get up out of there. We got to stop that one. Now, with the illegal activities, man, who am I to tell you how to provide for your family or make a living for yourself? But, man, we got to stop pushing that reset button, man. Find something legal to do. And I know that's easy to say, man, but, hey, you got to put forth the effort. And I'm pretty sure if you have the drive, man, you can find something legal to do. Even if it's just to start your own business or to create your own lane. Man, we got to start doing that more. I don't know how to do it, or I don't have the blueprint or the manual on how to do it. I don't know. Start a YouTube channel. Hey, that seems to be how most people are doing it these days. But man, we have to stop pushing the reset button, man, because not only I did say kids, but not only that, your family members, and what that puts your significant other in your life through. I mean, you think it's easy for you to have to go to jail and somebody has to wait for your return, or also has to support you until you can come back to society? Man, we got to stop pushing the reset button. We have to stop pushing the reset button. It's not easy to do, but man, you got to move with humility now and with humbleness. Don't be so quick to fight, shoot, kill. Walk away. Walk away. And then I know it's some instances where, man, we be stereotyped and the laws want to lean on us. Man, you got to figure out a defense mechanism that works for you, man, that you're able to just be able to walk away. And that's not easy because they be trying to meet that quota. The laws be trying to meet that quota. Don't get it twisted. So it's easier said than done, but we have to stop pushing that reset button, man. Stop pushing that reset button, because this is a thing that I tell a lot of people and they don't understand it. But okay, say if you go in jail when you 16, 18, 21, say you might do 5 years, 10 years. When you come back home, you're still 16 or 21, even though your age might say you're 31 because you did 10 years. But honestly, being as though you're locked in that cage, you're not growing. You're adapting to that cage. Well, I can say you can grow mentally through knowledge, but when you come back home, you still 21 or 16 or whatever age you was when you went in, because you haven't been able to deal with real life. You've only been able to deal with incarcerated life. There's a difference. So, man, hey, look, if y'all can do that for me, man, stop pushing that reset button. Hey, I stay out the way, man. I'm way out the way. But to say I can't get locked up, I will be lying. I could get locked up tomorrow. But I'm not trying to, or I'm not going to be in the way to be locked up. But does shit happen? Yes, it does. But to my black man, we got to stop pushing that reset button, man. Stop pushing that reset button. And you got to think about the things that you did to get you locked in that cage, man. You got to come out and move different. You got to move different. If you see that you keep going to jail, obviously you're doing something wrong. Like they glorify jail, man. Jail ain't cool. Jail ain't for winners. Jail for losers. Jail is for losers, man. Don't get that twisted. We don't look at you. Well, our people and criminals, they look at jail as, yeah, it's a big thing. Man, I don't want to go to jail. Man, I've been locked up in Central Cell for 30 minutes. That was too long. That was too long for me, man. Ain't nothing cool about jail. Somebody telling me what I can do, what I can't do, when to do this, when to do that. No, sir. Man, stop pushing that reset button. I ain't going to stick on this one too long. I just wanted to, put the PSA out there, the public service announcement to my black men. My message to the black men. Man, stop pushing that reset button. Man, I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this topic. Like this video, share this video, comment, and subscribe. Hey, I'm just asking.